Original red, barely hanging on.
Time didn't spare it.
We keep it original. We save it.
Nothing gets replaced without reason.
Metal's tired.
But it's still a Ferrari.
From here, we let the tools speak.
Watch carefully.
This whole section is completely gone. Mark that for replacement. That's where we begin.
Mark everything before we pull it apart.
These haven't moved in decades.
Moisture got everywhere.
Slow, don't snap it. This will need a full teardown.
Panels off first, structure next.
Now we can fix what time broke.
We cut only what's dead.
Slow passes, don't thin the metal.
That section's gone.
Match the curve exactly.
Short welds, let it cool.
Seal it before anything else. Structure is solid now.
Clear, keep it level.
Wear everywhere.
I'm saying it's saying.
This brings life back.
Exact specs only. Perfect alignment.
Windows, yeah.
Ready to wake it up. Mechanically alive again.
This paint's done its job. Now we see everything. Feel it, don't force it. One even coat at a time. Flat is everything.
Dust. No dust, no mistakes.
That's the color. Seal it.
Worth the wait.
Millimeter by millimeter.
That's factory.
No forcing it. Line it up, good. Locked.
All responding.
Even pressure.
Phase complete.
There it is.
Every edge matters. Iconic lines. Built to last. Just like it should be. Finished.